Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Journal Albion and confirming sync is active. This ensures entries save across devices. Once installed, configure defaults, privacy, tags, and autosave so you don't repeat setup. Now create your first entry, add a clear title, pick the date stamp, and attach a mood tag. These small steps make retrieval faster. Make sure to add 1 or 2 keywords for searching later and press save to commit the draft before moving on. Once your draft exists, structure the content to increase usefulness. Add headings, short bullet lists, and inline tags so you can scan quickly. You should enrich the entry by attaching images, audio clips, or PDF. Include timestamps for recordings so you can jump to moments later. If you follow routines, apply a template or set the entry as recurring. This saves time and preserves consistency. Make sure to preview formatting and check attachments. You finish by reviewing the entry, adjusting privacy, and finalizing content. This is when you remove typos and confirm tags. Next, export copies to PDF or JSON for backups or sharing, and verify exports open correctly. If you need to migrate, use the export files to import elsewhere. If sync or saving fails, toggle offline mode, restart the app, then manually upload the export. This often clears conflicts and preserves your work so you can continue without data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.